Welcome, traders. My name is Diego Torres. I'm the senior coach at City Traders Imperium. And today I had an interview with Piero, fantastic trader. He's only been trading for 3 years, already a funded trader with City. And you're going to get some insights into his routine and his very, very, very disciplined trading strategy. So without further ado, let's welcome Piero. Piero, first of all, congrats on passing the evaluation. You've done a very, very good job.
Thank you, Diego. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Hello, everybody.
Nice to meet you, 100%. Where are you from originally?
I'm from Italy, and I live in Milano, in the north of Italy. Yeah.
Nice. An Italian CTI trader, fantastic.
Yeah, it's a big center for finance in Milano. It's very famous for this, for the business.
Absolutely. How's your day been today, or what's your trading routine as a trader yourself now?
Yeah, look, now I work as a funded trader, and every morning when I wake up, I look for the various charts, and I try to enter the market when I have the confirmation of my trading system. So I spend more time to see the charts during the morning and the afternoon and the evening. So I spent 8-10 hours on my PC to try to hook the target.
Yeah, I mean, it's 10 hours. It sounds about right. Trading is not easy.
Yeah, the work of trader is not very easy. It's an hard work. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. 100%. It's a lot harder than doing a university degree, for example, or getting an apprenticeship, because you're really just trading with yourself. You're battling your demons, your emotions, and it's really, really hard, But you've done a fantastic job. I'm just looking at your trading state, your equity curve, and it looks like you've done a very, very fantastic job here. You fighting your emotions. I can tell in the first 180 trades, you were literally battling, not break even, but just a bit of profit, a bit of a loss, a bit of profit, a bit of a loss. And then eventually, after 175 trades, your equity curve started going up. Can you briefly just explain, your journey with the evaluation?
The evaluation, okay. The biggest difficulty that I have had with the CTI's challenge is to operate with a relative drawdown, because in my normal operativity, I work with a fixed drawdown and a fixed risk. So during the challenge, but I discovered that these CDI's rules, instead of being disadvantage, they become an advantage, because they lead your trading to greater selectivity, and so you choose better entry on market, and you choose to enter only when you have more confirmations. So the great lesson with from the CDI's rules is enter into market always when you have the necessary confirmations, and exit the market when they come to be broken or with a stop. So what you see in my statement is I made many trades because the risk is little, and to reach the 70% of target is very hard, and so a little risk for a big target, and many trades with more confirmation, and then when this confirmation comes to be broken, exit the market. So This is what you see in my statement is the normal consequences of my trading system, my strategies. So.
Yeah, but fantastic. I can see you're very, very disciplined. I can see it's really, really tiny trades because some traders I've interviewed before, the equity can go all of a sudden to boom 3-4 times the consistent equity curve. Your one is really, 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 really tiny, which shows you're really disciplined and careful with your trades. So well done on that. On that note, would you mind sharing an example of your strategy or any visuals for the audiences?
Yeah. If you want, if you desire, okay. The fundamental basis of my strategies is to look for in the charts the peak of volume first, and then if I find this peak, what I'm looking for is for a precise, if it corresponding to a precise support or resistance. And so I look into the past of candlesticks on the charts, and I go to see if that level corresponding to that peak that I found is an important support or resistance level. Then I place my stop at the limits of this important level, and I look for an average period as a target, usually the 90-60 period, because mainly my work is in intraday, but in 4 hours and daily time frames as a time frames. So you have more chances to reach the target, to reach the average when the average hasn't been touched for a long time. This is the base of my of all my strategies, and then I often use the harmonics. You know what is harmonics?
Yeah.
And so harmonics, for those who don't know, are recurring figures that are drawn on charts, and explaining it is very complex. However, I use a software that is available in the web as an indicator that allows me to identify the harmonics when they are formed, and the various when they are formed on the various assets that I study. Fundamentally, these are my strategies. This is the basis of my strategies on technical analysis.
Fantastic. I mean, it's a very, very, very sophisticated strategy. Where did you actually learn it from? I can tell you've got a lot of experience. Where did you learn it from, or how long have you been trading?
Thanks to my mentor, to the person that I mentioned just before, Leandro. He teaches me this all these strategies. And I study what they suggest me to study. So it's not you don't find this on books, on other kind of materials to study. So you have to spend more time on charts, on market, and you have to see.
Literally. I mean, it's the best strategy. You're not going to find it in Google or books. You need to learn the strategy. You need to learn through the markets. The markets are the best teacher. It's like with my strategy, I do smart money concepts with a twist, with patterns and etc. But you don't find it in YouTube, you don't find it in Google, or you don't find it on books. Like you said, you just need to learn from mistakes. So I can tell you've learned, the hard way, and obviously through your mentor. I'm just going to quickly go over your trading statement real quick, and just looking at it again, you can tell that the lot sizes are really, really small. You're very, very careful with your trades. Extremely tiny risk, but very, very, very consistent. So definitely congrats on that. There's a couple big winners here. 42, 18, 49, nice little winning streaks. Few losses, but very, very managed risk. Now, let me just quickly see you've done a lot of trades. Yeah, there's a lot of trades. Wow, look at this one.
Yeah.
$278 on the euro. That was a fantastic trade. Yeah, look, you've basically got a 60% win rate and a profit factor of a 1.35, which is just a little bit above average. So well done on your trading statement as well. Have you got any advice for any potential new traders taking the evaluation?
So, allora, it's very difficult for me because I'm not young for my anagraphical age, but I'm young in this world of trading. So it's difficult for me to suggest something to other person. But what I can only suggest maybe to follow always the rules of one specific trading system with true discipline, without being influenced by your emotion and your personal mental beliefs, because these elements, in my opinion, are the real ruin, the real misfortune, the real bad luck in trading. Look, because in my opinion, to be lucky in trading doesn't exist. You have to know that there is only not having considered the occurrence X in the sequence Y. Because maybe you don't know it, or because you missed it. But certainly it happens not for bad luck. And naturally you have you need to have a statistically profitable trading system. Without this, it's very difficult to win the challenge. So that's it. What I can suggest.
100%. I think those are very, very, very good advice. Even though you've only got 3 years experience, you've clearly got good experience. Because there's one thing having 5-10 years experience and it's bad experience, and there's another thing having quality 2-3 year experience. So some words of wisdom for the viewers there. Yeah, I mean, again, congrats on passing and welcome to the team.
Thank you.
You've done a fantastic job.
Thank you, Diego. I'm very happy for this challenge, and I'm very happy for my journey in this world of trading. Thank you very much.
There you have it, guys. So you've met Piero, a fantastic, disciplined trader. And the main message for today was literally to just follow your trading rules, stick to the trading plan, have a set of rules, and it's going to help with your psychology. And on that note, if you're a trader struggling with psychology or mindset, you can always check out the website at citytradersimperium.com. Go on the mastermind, and it's going to walk you through the process of a professional trader and how to pass the evaluation. And if you're a trader that wants to complement the strategy or learn a new one, you can always check out Daniel's STT strategy or James' corrected strategy. And if you want to increase your risk reward on your entries, such as a 5, 10, 15, or even the 20R trades, check out the live streams. There's so many traders now killing it, making 5, 10, 20 trades on a weekly basis. I'm not even joking, guys. Check out the live streams, and the course will also be released pretty soon, sometime in November or December. So stay tuned, guys. And on that note, comment below, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time, guys.